Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into Azure Resource Graph. This comprehensive tutorial will cover everything you need to know to leverage Azure Resource Graph for effective resource querying, management, and automation. We'll explore its core concepts, syntax, practical use cases, and code examples in Azure CLI, PowerShell, and .NET C. Table of Contents. 1. Introduction to Azure Resource Graph. What is Azure Resource Graph? Benefits of using Azure Resource Graph. Key concepts: Resource Graph Explorer, Kusto Query Language, KQL, Security. 2. Setting up and using Azure Resource Graph. Prerequisites. Using Azure CLI. Using Azure PowerShell. Using .NET C. 3. Kusto Query Language, KQL, Fundamentals. Basic KQL syntax. Operators, where, project, count, distinct, order by, summarize. Data types. Functions. Joins and lookups. 4. Advanced KQL queries for Resource Graph. Working with JSON properties. Filtering by tags. Analyzing resource relationships. Calculating cost and usage. Exploring compliance and security posture. Querying across multiple subscriptions. Pagination. 5. Practical use cases and examples. Inventory management. Cost optimization. Security and compliance monitoring. Automated remediation. Building custom dashboards. 6. Integration with Azure Automation and Logic apps. Automating tasks with Resource Graph. Example, finding and stopping unused VMS. 7. Performance considerations and best practices. Query optimization. Limiting scope. Using indexes, limited applicability. 8. Troubleshooting and common issues. Query errors. Authorization issues. Performance problems. 9. Security considerations. RBAC permissions. Data governance. 10. Conclusion. 1. Introduction to Azure Resource Graph. What is Azure Resource Graph? Azure Resource Graph, ARG, is an Azure service designed to explore and query your Azure resources at scale. It's optimized for quickly querying across a large set of Azure subscriptions, management groups, and resources. Unlike traditional methods that might involve API calls to each resource, ARG provides a centralized and efficient way to retrieve metadata about your Azure environment. Think of it as a giant index of your Azure resources. Benefits of using Azure Resource Graph. Speed. ARG is significantly faster than traditional REST API calls for retrieving resource information. Scalability. Handles queries across thousands of subscriptions and millions of resources. Centralized querying. Provides a single point of access for querying all your Azure resources. Kusto Query Language. KQL uses a powerful and flexible query language for advanced filtering and aggregation. Integration with Azure services. Seamlessly integrates with Azure CLI, PowerShell, .NET SDK, and other Azure services. No cost. Azure Resource Graph is a free service to use. You only pay for other services that it might trigger. Key concepts. Resource Graph Explorer. A tool within the Azure portal that allows you to write, test, and run resource graph queries. Kusto query language, KQL, the query language used to interact with Azure Resource Graph. KQL is designed for exploring and analyzing data. It's used across Azure Monitor Logs, Azure Data Explorer, and other services. Security. Resource Graph respects Azure Role-Based Access Control, RBAC. You can only access resources that you have permission to view. This means you see only the resources within your subscriptions that you have authorization for. 2. Setting up and using Azure Resource Graph. Prerequisites. An Azure subscription. Azure CLI installed, or Azure Cloud Shell. Azure PowerShell module installed. .NET SDK installed, for .NET examples. .NET 6 or later is recommended. An IDE like Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code, for .NET examples. Using Azure CLI. 1. Install the Azure Resource Graph extension. 2. Run a simple query. 3. Run a more complex query. 4. Specify management groups or subscriptions. You can limit queries to specific management groups or subscriptions using the -management groups or -subscriptions parameters. Using Azure PowerShell. 1. Install the AZ Resource Graph module. 2. Run a simple query. 3. Run a more complex query. 4. Specify management groups or subscriptions. Using .NET, C. 1. Create a new .NET Console application. 2. Add the required NuGet packages. 3. Example C code. Important. Replace your subscription ID with your actual Azure subscription ID. You can find this in the Azure portal. Also, ensure you have appropriate permissions to access the resources in your subscription. To run the application. 3. Kusto query language, KQL, fundamentals. Basic KQL syntax. Pipe operator, chains commands together. The output of one command becomes the input of the next. Tables. Represent collections of data, example resources, Azure activity. Columns. Fields within a table, example name, location, properties. Operators. Where filters data based on a condition. Where column operator value. Project. Selects specific columns and renames them. Project new _column _name equals column_name, column_name 2. Count. Counts the number of rows. Count. Distinct. Returns unique values in a column. Distinct column. Order by. Sorts the results. Order by column. ASC desk. Summarize. Aggregates data. Summarize count, by column. Data types. String. Int. Long. Real, floating point. Bool. Date time. Dynamic, JSON. Functions. Substring, string, start_index, length. Tuple, string. Tolower, string. Trim, string. Date time, string. Ago, time span, example ago, 7D, for 7 days ago. Parse_JSON, string. Joins and lookups. Asterisk the join operator allows you to merge data from two tables based on a common column. Asterisk lookup enriches the data with values from another table based on a common field. Lookup is useful when the right side of the join is small and relatively static. Example 4. Advanced KQL queries for resource graph. Asterisk working with JSON properties asterisk. Many resource properties are stored as JSON objects within the properties column. Use dot notation to access nested values. If the JSON structure is uncertain, use the parse_JSON function for safer access. Asterisk filtering by tags asterisk. Tags are stored in the tags column, which is also a JSON object. To check if a tag exists regardless of its value. Asterisk analyzing resource relationships asterisk. Resource IDs are used to establish relationships between resources. For example, a VM's properties.networkprofile.networkinterfaces.id points to a network interface resource. Use join or lookup to combine data based on these IDs. See the join example in the KQL Fundamentals section. Asterisk calculating cost and usage asterisk. You can't directly get cost data from Resource Graph. You typically need to integrate with Azure Cost Management APIs. However, Resource Graph can help you identify resources that are potentially underutilized and contributing to unnecessary costs, example idle VMS, oversized disks. This query identifies running VMS. You can then manually or programmatically analyze their CPU/memory utilization using Azure Monitor to determine if they are oversized for their workload and could be downsized to save costs. Asterisk exploring compliance and security posture asterisk. Resource Graph can be used to query for resources that are not compliant with Azure policy. The Policy Resources table provides compliance information. Asterisk querying across multiple subscriptions asterisk. When using the CLI or PowerShell, you can specify multiple subscription IDs using the -subscriptions, CLI, or subscription ID, PowerShell, parameter. In .NET you populate the subscription ID list on the resource query content object. Asterisk pagination asterisk. Resource graph results are automatically paginated. When using the CLI or PowerShell, the tools handle pagination for you. In the .NET SDK, the resource query result object contains information about the total records returned and potentially a continuation token for retrieving the next page of results. 5. Practical use cases and examples. Asterisk inventory management asterisk list all VMS in a specific region with their size and operating system. Asterisk cost optimization asterisk find all unattached disks that might be incurring storage costs. Asterisk security and compliance monitoring asterisk find all public IP addresses not associated with network security groups, NSGs. Asterisk automated remediation asterisk identify all VMS that have a specific security vulnerability, requires integrating with a vulnerability scanning solution that writes data to Azure or custom tags. This could trigger an Azure automation runbook to patch the VMS. Asterisk building custom dashboards asterisk use resource graph to populate data in custom dashboards in the Azure portal, Power BI, or other monitoring tools. 6. Integration with Azure Automation and Logic Apps. Asterisk automating tasks with Resource Graph asterisk you can use Resource Graph queries within Azure Automation runbooks or Logic Apps to identify resources that need to be acted upon. Asterisk example, finding and stopping unused VMS, Azure Automation runbook, PowerShell. Explanation asterisk. 1. Connect to Azure asterisk uses the system assigned managed identity on the automation account for authentication. To define the idle period, asterisk sets the threshold for determining if a VM is idle. 3. Resource graph query asterisk finds running VMs where the last activity time is older than the $idle period. 4. Iterate and stop VMs asterisk loops through the results and uses stopism to stop each idle VM. 4. Avoids confirmation prompts, and no wait returns immediately without waiting for the stop operation to complete. How to set up asterisk. 1. Create an Azure automation account. 2. Enable system-assigned managed identity on the automation account. 3. Grant the managed identity appropriate permissions asterisk. The automation account's managed identity needs the virtual machine contributor role, or a custom role with equivalent permissions, on the resource groups containing the VMs you want to manage. 4. Create a PowerShell runbook asterisk. Copy the code above into a new PowerShell runbook in the automation account. 5. Schedule the runbook asterisk. Create a schedule to run the runbook periodically, example daily. 6. Install required modules asterisk. Ensure the AZ resource graph and AZ compute modules are imported into the automation account, under modules in the automation account. 7. Performance considerations and best practices. Asterisk query optimization asterisk. Asterisk filter early asterisk use where clauses at the beginning of your query to reduce the amount of data processed. Asterisk project only necessary columns asterisk. Avoid selecting all columns if you only need a subset. Asterisk avoid complex logic asterisk. Simplify your queries as much as possible. If you need complex logic, consider breaking it down into multiple queries. Asterisk use indexes, limited applicability. Resource graph automatically indexes all resource properties. You don't have direct control over indexing, but the service is optimized for efficient querying based on common properties like name, type, and location. Asterisk limiting scope asterisk. Asterisk specify subscriptions or management groups to limit the scope of your query. Asterisk use the limit operator when testing queries to reduce the amount of data returned. 8. Troubleshooting and common issues. Asterisk query errors asterisk. Asterisk syntax errors asterisk. Carefully review your KQL syntax for typos or incorrect operator usage. The error messages from resource graph often provide helpful clues. Asterisk type mismatches asterisk. Ensure that you are comparing values of compatible data types. Use toString, toInt, etc., to convert data types as needed. Asterisk invalid property names asterisk. Double check the property names you are using to access resource properties. Refer to the Azure Resource Manager documentation for the correct property names. Asterisk authorization issues asterisk. Asterisk insufficient permissions asterisk. Make sure you have the necessary RBAC permissions to access the resources you are querying. At a minimum, you need the reader role on the subscriptions or management groups. Asterisk managed identity permissions asterisk. If you are using a managed identity, ensure that the identity has the appropriate permissions on the target resources. Asterisk cross-tenant access asterisk. Querying resources in a different Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, tenant requires proper cross-tenant authorization. Asterisk performance problems asterisk. Asterisk long-running queries asterisk. If your queries are taking a long time to execute, try optimizing them as described in the performance considerations section. Asterisk service throttling asterisk. If you are making a large number of requests to resource graph, you might encounter service throttling. Implement retry logic in your code to handle throttling errors. 9. Security considerations. Asterisk RBAC permissions asterisk. Resource graph enforces RBAC. Users can only see and query resources that they have permission to access. Asterisk data governance asterisk. Be mindful of the data you are querying and how you are using it. Avoid exposing sensitive information in query results. 10. Conclusion. Azure Resource Graph is a powerful and versatile tool for querying and managing your Azure resources at scale. By mastering KQL and understanding the core concepts of Resource Graph, you can significantly improve your efficiency, optimize costs, and enhance your security posture. Remember to start with simple queries and gradually build up to more complex scenarios. Explore the Resource Graph Explorer in the Azure portal to experiment and learn more about the available properties and resources. Practice, experiment, and always use the best practices for optimal performance.